Work, 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 work. You see me have you work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt.
What's up, y'all? It's Youre from the Werkin Co. So today I am going to tell you guys a few ways you can make some money when you have no money. Like, when I say no money, I mean you can do all of these things with probably less than $50 to your name. Like, when your bank account is saying 5.00 $5, you can get some money. Okay, I know a lot of people have experienced hard times, especially during this pandemic. A lot of people have went without and didn't have money, and people were thinking about, like, how can I get some money? But you know, a lot of people don't have the business savvy to start a business, or they don't have the time. You know, bills are not going to wait 6 months until your business gets up and rolling. You know, the water company is not going to accept the fact that you're telling them, well, I just started a business and I need some money. You know, my business isn't really doing too well. I need a little bit of time before I can pay my water bill. It's not going to cut it. So I came up with a list. I got about 10 things that you can do to make money when you don't really have no money, because there's really no reason for us to be out here broke. Period. So the first thing on my list is donate plasma. Plasma. So plasma is something that's like in your blood. I'm not really sure exactly what it is, but you can donate it and it's virtually harmless to the human body. It's in high demand. They always need plasma for people who are getting surgeries and people who are sick. They need plasma. It's similar to donating blood with the process, but it's a little bit different. So the way you would go about donating plasma is you would look up a blood bank or a plasma donation center. So for that, you would just Google it, you know, find a phone, use the internet. If you don't have a phone, maybe you don't have money, your phone is off, you know, maybe go to a McDonald's or a Starbucks or wherever you can that has free Wi-Fi and use the Wi-Fi to look this information up. And I would Google donate plasma with my zip code. So if my zip code is 32817, I would look up donate plasma 32817, or you can do it with your city. So if you live in Vegas, you can do donate plasma Las Vegas. So I would do that, and then whatever phone numbers pop up, I would call and find out what is the process. Usually the process for donating plasma is pretty easy. You usually get to come in, you answer a few questions, some health related questions, and then, you know, they give you a snack, you get some water, some juice, and you sit in a chair. It's air conditioned, and you know, it's all sterile. It's medical people, medical professionals, and they'll similar to getting a needle put in you, similar to getting your blood drawn, and then you sit, you relax, and they take the plasma out of your body. It comes like, it gets collected like in a little bag and it's sitting by you. So with donating plasma, it just depends on where you live, how much they're paying, and how much it's in need. So you can expect to make about $40 to $75. $40 to $75 each time you donate plasma. And you can donate plasma about every week or every 2 weeks. So that's something to keep in mind. The next thing that you can donate is blood. If you have a rare blood type, usually you don't get paid for donating blood, but if you have a rare blood type, you can get paid for donating blood. And also you can donate your eggs if you're a woman and your sperm if you're a man. Now those things are a little more controversial because, you know, legally you would have biological kids out there somewhere, but think of it as, you know, you are helping a family that needs something. They're looking to, you know, have a child, and you're looking to get some money for something that you have plenty of. So You can, for the donating the eggs for a woman, you would need to look up an egg bank, or you could look up fertility doctors in your area. It's a little bit invasive for a woman as far as, like, you know, the things they would do to your body. It's not so easy as it would be for a man. For a man, it's not as invasive. This takes longer than donating plasma, okay? Donating plasma is kind of like you could call right now, walk in the door, boom, bam, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. This is a longer process. They have to vet you. They look at your medical history, all types of things like that. You know, it could take up to about 90 days before you even approved to get this. But the amount of money that you get, you know, you could be looking at the thousands for this. You know, you could be looking at about $5,000 for donating your eggs or sperm, versus donating plasma. You know, it's like $40 to $75. So, you know, the monetary value is different, but also what you're putting into it is different. If you're a woman, you could also consider being a surrogate. A surrogate is someone who carries a family. A surrogate is someone who carries a baby for another family. So biologically, the baby belongs to, you know, another man and woman, but, you know, you are carrying it. So the baby will grow inside of you for the term of your pregnancy, the 9 months, and you will deliver the baby, and the baby goes back with the family. But again, this is something you're helping another family, you know, bring life into this world. Usually as a surrogate, you know, your living expenses are usually paid for, like your housing, your food, and your medical expenses. And, you know, it's definitely something to look into, especially if you have a lot of free time. Or maybe if you're just looking to go to school and you need something, you know, to help supplement your school work, you know, or your school income, but you just have a lot of free time, surrogacy could be something really good for you. It takes much longer to be vetted as well, but it is an option. And surrogates, you can expect to make about $20,000 to $50,000. That's about the average, $25,000 to $50,000. It depends on the family. It depends on the company. So the next thing that you can do if you have no money and you're trying to make some money is resell stuff. Resell stuff. Okay? Resell stuff. So the easiest thing to resell, honestly, is furniture. If you have a vehicle, you know, you can find furniture. Okay, I take that back. You don't even have to have a vehicle. You can resell furniture by going to yard sales, garage sales, looking on apps like Let Go, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, looking for free items that people are giving away. People do that a lot. I'm telling you, it's more common than you may think it is. You know, people have moved sometimes, or people died, they need to get rid of the furniture, or sometimes people just want to upgrade, they want the stuff going out of their house. So you can find free items and take them and spruce them up and resell them. So you can get a couch. A couch is the easiest thing to do. Get a couch, take it home, use your cleaning products that you have at home. If you don't have a home or you don't have cleaning products, try to borrow some from a friend or a coworker. If you don't have any, you know, you don't have your own place, maybe if you have a job, you can ask, you know, your managers or whoever, you know, is it okay if I take some cleaning supplies home? Even if you have to, you know, maybe pour it in a cup and take it home, whatever you have to do, get some cleaning supplies and clean the furniture or whatever you buy and then resell it. So, for example, you may get one day, you may see, you know, go looking for garage sales, you find someone giving away a chair. Okay, so the chair probably is fine. Maybe it's just old. Maybe it's an old lady and she's just trying to get rid of the furniture. Okay, take the chair back to your house and spruce it up. Wash it. Get a bucket of hot soapy water and get scrubbing the chair.